Zapier Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing the Zapier Affiliate Program. All relevant links to the program will be added in the description below for easy access. Zapier is an incredibly powerful tool designed to automate workflows by connecting over 5,000 apps without requiring any coding. Whether you're looking to automate your email marketing, integrate your CRM with project management tools, or sync your social media platforms with other business tools, Zapier makes it seamless. The best part? It's designed for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and corporate teams who want to boost productivity and automate repetitive tasks without any technical know-how. It's a game changer for anyone looking to save time and streamline operations. Now, let's talk about the Zapier Affiliate Program. This program is ideal for those who have a business or productivity-oriented audience. Whether you run a blog, YouTube channel, or an email newsletter centered around automation, workflows, or business efficiency, Zapier is an excellent product to promote. The program offers competitive commissions, paying a flat fee for each customer who subscribes to a paid plan using your affiliate link. The best part? Cookie tracking lasts for 30 days, so you get credit for any signups within that window. Zapier's affiliate program is managed through PartnerStack, a reliable platform for tracking commissions, conversions, and analytics. This makes it easy to monitor your success and adjust your promotional strategies accordingly. The program's high conversion rate is thanks to Zapier's strong reputation and its widespread use across industries. This is a tool that many businesses rely on to scale operations, making it a trusted recommendation for your audience. If you're in the business of helping others automate processes and boost productivity, the Zapier Affiliate Program is a great fit. With its wide-reaching appeal and solid earning potential, this program is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to visit the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.